Yo guys, welcome to Country Legend. Today we're unboxing Ibrahim's drone. So Ibrahim got a new drone.
Show this.
So
open this.
we're gonna open this, we're gonna open the
that.
controller.
You can open this and show them.
Yep. I have one hand. This is the charger.
Okay. So this is basically
The drone.
the drone.
Put it somewhere here.
Put it down. And that's the controller.
This is the charger. Yeah, that's the controller, this is the charger. You've got USB Type-C. We're gonna store it in your bag, yeah?
Yeah. So how do we start this?
I'll tell you.
That's
the drone.
DJI drone. What do we need now? Open all the things.
Yes, this is the controller. I've got the same controller for my drone and Ibrahim got one. My friend's got one, and as you can see, it's DJI NC3.
Do we need to put battery?
How much battery does it have? It has 2 bars, but it should be adequate.
Can we use this? Or we need to put batteries right now?
No, we've got batteries in the drone.
So we can use it right now?
You can use it later, anytime.
Okay, so
Alright, this... Wait, your phone's got Type-C, isn't it? So we've got Type-C for connecting the screen. So you can see the screen.
okay.
You know how to do it?
No.
Alright, so I've just put this battery. This battery was already in the drone, but it doesn't seem to have charge. So when I open this battery up, okay, we've got another battery. Hopefully this should be good. Unfortunately, we do not. Maybe it's out of battery. So I think what we're gonna do, we've got to charge it up. I've got a charger on me, so I'm gonna be right back. Alright, so I'm charging his drone batteries up. We're charging at 5 watts right now from a power bank. So yeah, hopefully we should get a good charge. Alright, to charge it faster, I've removed 2 batteries. One in the drone, one in here. So now we're charging at 9 watts now. And hopefully we should get it charged soon. Alright, so we just charged the drone up.
Go on live stream.
We're connecting it. This is better. Alright, we're gonna go press go fly. Checking activation status. As you can see, activate DJI service.
It's dirty, bro.
We'll clean it after. Try again. Do you have network?
There's that one.
Ah, flip.
Did you put the hotspot on?
Yeah, it's on. Alright, so we are updating the firmware, as you can see. 90%. Once it's
Can you go
installed.
live stream on YouTube?
The propellers are starting up now, it's done. We've got the other batteries charging, just in case, so we've got backup power. And yeah, we're gonna go flying. Alright, so we're gonna take it off. I'm gonna put my camera here. We're gonna record.
Use the box. Use the box.
No, it's fine, it's fine. Right. We'll record on board as well. You like it, yeah? See that? You're going sports mode, yeah?
No, that's him.
It's fine.
That's him.
Look at your drone.
That's him. That's him. That's him. That's him.
You're alright.
That's him. Take it back. I need it.
Actually, we've got no lights in it, so let's stay local, yeah? Look at that. Amazing. Train tracks as well.
Where's the drone?
Right here, I can see it.
Where is it? Okay.
In the daytime, we'll get better footage though. We've got 24% though. Let's not go too far, yeah? Let's go a little bit up, yeah? Trust me. Yeah. I'll bring it down.
No, bro, we're taking it.
I did this before, don't worry. I'll bring it back. See that?
Bro.
You can't even see it. Don't worry, I'll bring it down, look. See that? We're at 9%, yeah, just be careful with it, yeah?
What do I do?
Just to go forward, be careful with it, don't go too far. Don't crash it.
Battery
be careful,
level
you're gonna go
is
over the
low.
bridge. Don't go over the bridge, yeah?
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
You like it, yeah?
I have You know what? We have to take it to our garden.
Take it to
Don't go there. Don't go there.
take it to Wembley Park, yeah?
Okay. It's fine.
Yeah, he's fine.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
See this?
Don't go there. Don't go there.
I am.
No, bro. It's new. Oh no.
I'm
That's
joking.
it.
I'm joking. I'm gonna bring it back. You're afraid, wasn't you?
Take it back. Take on top.
You know what? I'm gonna hand grab it. I usually do that.
Landing.
See that?
Textured environments.
Take on top again.
Battery's low now.